Today I'm going to show you how you can choose to see your broadsheet and how you can work on section performance. Welcome to School Management System, a 3-star school management system by Fictech Concept Limited. Okay, I'm logged in as admin here. So as the admin, if I come to examination, do a drop down here, I will see section performance and broadsheet. Now, broadsheet, you don't work on it. You only view the broadsheet. Why section performance is when you work on a child's results. When you work on a child's results. So for broadsheet, let's assume you want to check the total scores and the general scores of a class on a particular term and a particular section. You can have the broadsheet of all your school in one place. All your school in one place. You don't have to. You can also print it out and drop it in as a hard copy. Sorry, but you can still leave it on our system on the Apprista School Management System, so that you can access it at any time. Now, in case you have complaint from anybody, this broadsheet can easily point out what you want to see. Now for this class, we have you to show you all the subjects we do in this class for that term, to show you all the subjects. Okay, then if you come after showing all the subjects, it will give you the total mark that is supposed to be obtained if this child scores 100. The child scores 100. There are some scores here that are not up to 100. That's why the total mark score is 1380. The performance of the child is 668 out of 1380, and the average score is 47%. He got 8th position in that class. Now remember, this broadsheet is not shown to it's not a way to show the children, it's for the admin side. So it doesn't matter the position that was written. Now you can check everyone's average score, everyone's total, and check. Now this basic science 33 that this student got, 33 that Mr. Emmanuel got, is the total score of basic science for that section, for that term. For instance, first test, second test, and exam, that's what made put up to this score here. Okay, so broadsheet is sorted. You can sort the section, you can sort the class after getting the section, and you sort the term that you want to do, that you want to search for. Okay. Now if you don't have anything, let's assume 2026 uh, section first term, you click on it, it will show blank. Why? There is no record for that year, meaning whenever it shows no data available in the table, it means there's no record for that year. This explains broadsheet on school management system. Okay, I didn't talk about printing. Let me go back to the class where I can print the broadsheet. Now this is a broadsheet I want to print. I want to have a hard copy. Now there are ways of printing. I can either print with PDF, I can print with CSV or Excel sheet, but I normally advise everyone to print with CSV. And when you print with CSV, you don't have issues. Then you can come here and just click on print to print it out. Now that's in a CSV format, that's in an Excel sheet format, it's you can Now let's talk about the section performance. Of course, under examination again, you get what we call section performance. Section performance is the feature where you edit each child's results. Okay, let's take a look. So we've opened this term. This term we have okay, the subject will also display. After the subject finish displaying, um there's a three finger here for each child. Three finger, or we'll call it three lines. So click on this for this child. So each child's work is each child results is edited here because every child has its own um, edit. Now, explain the section performance. This is student section performance. If you are adding previous average to it, you can do this. This is for some templates using previous average on their results. Last cumulative, if you have it on your results, this is what we use for last cumulative. You can add it to yourself. Then those are use remark, feel good, very good, and these are remarks that one can add to their to each subject. That's for now. This is template template based. Okay, now when we get to student conduct, neatness is 5. When you rate 5 is excellent, 4 is very good, good, then 2 is pass, 1 is fair, 0 is fail, not applicable. Not applicable is it should not show on the results. For instance, I don't talk about neatness. I click not applicable. I want to show politeness. This person is, you say is good in politeness, honesty, something like that. I don't want to show this. I don't want to show this. I don't want to show this. I want to add this. I want to add this. I don't want to show this. I don't want to show this. So this is how you edit student conduct on the result sheet if your results has student conduct based. Okay. Now, if your counselor's name is Mr. Counselor, good, and comment. So you take comment based on the counselor's category comment. So you choose comments. Um, Now, when you are majorly third term and you want to promote a child, you say yes, I want to promote this child. And once you promote the child, you get a comment for that promotion also. You need to add this comment on the comment section taught in our other videos. So you say, for instance, promoted to class one, did not promote, try harder, things like that. These are the comments you use when promoting in the next class. So you have to add that in the comment section. Then the form teacher's name is already written. Then you can edit it. However, you can have this is 75 to 35 image for your signature. So please do not exceed this image or the result will be too big. May not even enter. Now you choose your file from your location, maybe your phone or your laptop. This is the principal's comments. Principal has some categories. You can put it there. Now fees details, date of resumption. Now date of resumption comes here. So let's assume you put a date of resumption. This is how you select the date. It's a date picker. After you finish, select the date, you save. But I will not save without talking about sports and fees details. Sport is just writing about, oh, the child did well in football. It's just an example. You can write any other about sports and athletics about the child. Then fees details is captured in our other videos.